This is DeWalt ToughSytem version 2. Now a couple of changes here. These are spring-loaded now. So you want to add another box. These are spring-loaded. Makes it easier to attach the box. There's no handle on here. This flips up and you slide something underneath there. I'm not sure what goes underneath there, but there's no handle there. So that's on the side are your handles. They're spring-loaded. Easy open drawers here. Lock. 3 drawers. All over the place here. Very sturdy, well built. You've got these things here that you can put your. There's somewhere in here. There's little pieces of paper that you can mark down whatever you have on here. Dimensions. You're looking at about 21. This is about the width of it, about a foot, and it's about just over 11.5 inches tall here. Inside the drawers, you got about 2¼ inches. The width, just under 17 3/4. And the inside here, about 11.25. So you got about 2¼ inch. Anything higher than that, it's not going to fit. So I got 2 Kuwaits here. The first version, the second version. Case is a little bit different, a little bit higher, so that won't fit in there. So anything over 2¼ won't fit in there. So you open the handle for the drawer. There's tabs that open up here. That pull up, pull inside, and it releases the drawer, and then when you press it back, it just locks in place. Same with this here one. See it here a bit. These tabs are what holds the drawer in place. You can slide it out, like you can slide the drawers out here. On this side here, you can see the little plastic thing here that goes up. On the other side, goes down. So you push up this side, down this side, will slide out here. Sliding out here. Put it back. Sometimes it's a little tricky to get it back in, but it does come out. So it's all plastic inside here, and there's no dividers. I think you can buy little cups that'll fit in here that'll hold your screws, and also you can buy all your pliers. You can buy a special foam. You can buy it off Amazon. It's a foam that you can cut out your pliers there and just place them in there inside the drawer here. Makes a nice way to store your tools. This foam came out years ago, and it had different thicknesses here. You can see you cut it all your tools out here and place them inside there, making a nice display. The newer foam available on Amazon, probably a lot easier to work with than this stuff. So this doesn't have a handle on top. People are complaining about that. Something slides in on top of this part of the system. Now if you want a handle, you can buy a handle to replace this part of it, but you need to remove both sides. There's 2 screws here, 2 number Phillips screws. One here, one there. That'll pull out. Same in the opposite side. 2 screws here to take out. That pulls out. This removes this part of it. You put your handle in there, put your 2 sides back in, put the screws back in, and you got a handle for this ToughSytem 2. Subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you a thing. It helps grow my channel. And ring that bell, because the next series of the ToughSytem 2 is coming out. This is more for your power tools. They're just a 2-drawer system. I'd like to thank all my subscribers. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video today. Have a great one, people. Take care.